Mpumelelo Mseleku just posted a video of him and his wife Amahle, and you are guys. This girl is beyond nonchalant. She looked so annoyed while Mpumelelo was jolly and jamming to a song next to her, and he kept turning the camera to her to engage with her, but Amahle was not having it, Sana. It's like she was sitting there regretting her life decisions. But we also noticed something, Sana, her posture. The girl must be with child. Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani. Fans couldn't help but say what we all see. She looks very pregnant. She's with child, giving pregnancy vibes, but gay. I guess we'll find out in due time. She did say that once indoda wayimithela izokulaxaza ikugezela. I wonder keba usekuleyo na. Anyway, we have nothing to do with people's wombs. Hey guys, did you listen to Brenda Ngcoli's interview on Radio 702 with Relebogile? Oh, I love that woman's heart, Shem. Brenda, guys, she is so genuine. But girl, the wig. The wig had people talking this morning. Twitter isn't having it. And sivuke ngayo sisi uba uyazithandeza wig zabelungu. Because eza wig zabelungu easy. And it's Musa Kaula who said it out loud, okay? It's not us. Soze ndithethe mna londo leyo uthi Musa. Brenda Ngcoli shows off her horrible wig she purchased at Cheap and Nasty. I feel like that is the most horrible thing to say, especially to someone who bothers no one. Like totally unnecessary. I also feel like if she likes the wig, makayinxibe ke. As for Musa, njethe gabu ke ku-wig zabantu. I-dreadlocks zingaphi ngokubhuti? Anyway, Sabelo the creator responds to allegations of rape lodged against him by multiple male victims, citing that in his university years he would pull their pants down during their sleep and attempt to force conjoin, Go to my previous video for more context and screenshots. In his statement, which I will not read, he says, I don't know you, go to the popo. He doesn't know any of you and all your faceless accounts, okay? And really, guys, there's no justice you're going to get from social media. So I advise people not to just come and expose their rapists here on the internet, but to follow up by opening a case. So far, according to Sabelo, there's no case that was brought to his attention. I do want to say also that in this house we do believe the victims, kungaqhuma kubasiwe sana, and I really do hope that they do open those cases. Anyway, that's all I have for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell. You like this commentary, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.